So yep, we're just gonna just done with this, but it wasn't painted yet. So we're just gonna install this drawer. It's pretty decent size drawer, as you can see. It's like it wasn't painted yet, and I haven't filmed the whole process with this because the thing is, like, you know, it's so hard to work, like at the same time you're filming it. So it's pretty easy build. It's a shaker style drawer face, so it looks more simple but elegant. So that's how it is. It wasn't painted yet, so the moment this one will be painted, this will be look nice, because we're gonna paint this gloss thing. So the same thing that I did for the other cabinet, the nightstand. So yeah, we have this beautiful laminated pine that, just like what I said, I joined this two pieces because they only have 12 inches available, and I have this like 18 inches board I need. So what I did, the same thing what I did here, is I pocket hole. I didn't use the biscuit jointer. So this is just want to show you that, like, you know, like average DIYers, they can just do this one. You can just join two pieces of board just like using the pocket hole jig. So yep, as you can see it here on the top, like it wasn't really, you couldn't see, could barely see the joint in here. It was over here, like it was so flush. Like that's how, like, you know, that's how we work with this. Just sand a little bit. The best thing of using this wood is like it's already been sanded, and so it was more easy to joint this one. They were like really close joint, so I never had a hard time working with that joint in there. So as you can see it here, so yeah, they look nice. Everyone could do this thing, and it looks intimidating, like building a cabinet. Like the first time I built a cabinet, I really thought it was so hard, and I was so intimidated starting or doing it. But the moment I, you know, like watch some videos in YouTube, like whatever, so I started it. So after that, I've been building cabinets. Like I've been building now, like there's so many cabinets that already been built. And yeah, for these everyday wires out there, I would really, you know, like encourage you to build your cabinet, especially nowadays. Like it's so expensive. If you go to IKEA, like for this cabinet, like cost you like $300 just for one like this, and it doesn't really, like, you know, they're pretty nice looking cabinet, but the one in IKEA or wherever, but sturdiness, like I would say, like they're not gonna last long. But for this, I just use a 1/2 plywood. You don't really have to use a 3/4 plywood for cabinets. You can use a 1/2 plywood, like, you know, just for you to save. But yep, look at this, like it's really pretty sturdy, like I would say. And for this, I spent like less than $300 for sure. As I, like, you know, I just used two 1/2 plywood for the cabinets, and also for this face frame, I just used the one. I usually use a poplar wood, which is really good. But since I don't have any of, there's no available in my area, and it's so expensive to buy that one in Home Depot or any big box store, those poplar wood, like they're pretty expensive, like, you know. But I have one area that I always bought that they don't have available for now, so I need to get this thing done, this cabinet. So I decided to just get this prime one in Home Depot, which is, you know, they doesn't cost that much, cheaper than those regular wood or poplar wood in Home Depot. But I would suggest if you could, like, you know, you could use this one. It's only like, you know, $11 for, I know, $8 for 8 foot. So I use this one, like, you're gonna spend like probably somewhere $30 for this whole face frame, door face, and I save a lot of money. So, all right, we're not done with this yet, but we're gonna stain this one. We have to paint this cabinet, and we're gonna put an outlet in here. So yeah, but for now they can use this one. You can use this. It looks good. Yeah, right. So see you in the next one.